For the first time since the start of the pandemic, Taiwan has reported the community transmission of COVID-19. The Central Epidemic Command Center announced 7 domestic cases on Tuesday, 6 of whom have an unknown infection source.
One of the 6 is a man in Taipei who has a long list of close contacts. The other 5 are connected to an amusement facility in Yilan called the Galaxy Baccarat.
最后有7例，那等于是有2起的一个社区的感染。
Community transmission is here, says the CECC. On Tuesday, Taiwan reported 7 domestic cases, the most in a single day since the start of the pandemic. Of greatest concern at present is that 6 of the cases have unknown sources of infection. 5 of those cases are a cluster connected to an entertainment facility in Yilan County. 4 are employees and the other a customer.
到现在还没有就是说连接上
So far, there is no link that we can draw to any source of infection. Based on preliminary analysis, there's a very low chance that they are connected to the airline infections. We also confirmed their movements and there are no connections there.
In the wake of the outbreak, the entertainment facility and its entire building was disinfected. Case number 1202, an employee at the amusement venue, experienced chills, a cough, a fever, and other symptoms on Sunday and went to the hospital before being sent for COVID testing. Health officials then rushed to test those she had been in contact with. 3 of her co-workers, as well as 1 regular customer, tested positive.
那这5名的游艺场相关个案
These 5 cases from the arcade had no history of overseas travel. We will continue to investigate their recent activities to clarify the source of infection. In response to this incident, the facility is closed starting today.
The CECC said these cases would not have been detected had it not been for the vigilance of healthcare professionals.
游艺场的这2位1202跟1211
The 2 cases, 1,202 and 1,211, had gone to the emergency ward of the same hospital. The cases were reported by the same doctor. It's likely that a cluster was suspected. The medical team there was very much on high alert, so they qualify for our reporting bonus of 10,000 NT per case.
感觉出来，他其实来就医的时候
It seemed that she was under a tremendous amount of pressure when she came to seek medical treatment. When she was replying to questions, I could sense her hesitation, but in the end, she did give truthful responses on matters like the nature of her work. So I was able to make the assessment that this was someone in a high-risk group.
Another case with an unknown source of infection was found in New Taipei. Case number 1203, a man in his 60s, began experiencing fatigue, a cough, and chills last Friday. When he developed a fever that weekend, he sought medical care and was tested for COVID. So far, 115 people have been listed as contacts of this new case. The CECC has released his recent whereabouts, which include a restaurant in Xinzhuang and a massage parlor in Luzhou.